G'day, welcome back. So back here in the allroad. It was due its annual inspection, Warrant of Fitness, yesterday. Well, today actually, but I took it in yesterday and it failed. So today we're going to fix up the problems, hopefully fix up the problems it had. If not, we'll start looking at the jet boat options, but there's only a couple of things. It should be nice and easy. Let's go through them. So two things there. It's got no park lights, so I didn't check the lights before I took it in because I just took it in. So yeah, we'll put some new bulbs in the park lights. Big job. And the right front brake hose has apparently got a cut in it, which is a bit weird. So we'll pop a wheel off, have a look, and see how much duct tape we need to stick on it to get it through the test. At first glance I can't actually see too much wrong with that yet, but we'll whip it off and have a look. So let's clamp that hose. Undo this one. Get my new one ready so I can kind of hot swap it. Tighten it with a line wrench. Right, tighten with a line wrench. We'll check the tap. See, all the bubbles are out of the line. Check for leaks. So we're looking pretty good. Right, we'll check our reservoir. Still nice and full. I've only just flushed it all with this Penrite Super 4. Great quality brake fluid. Love that stuff. So yeah, I think we're pretty good. Alright, so the park lights are no big deal. They just pull out and we'll pop a new bulb in, and job done there. It's got the HID system in there, looks a bit fancy. Number one. Number two. Nice. Right, so here's the old one. I'll show you the failure. Can you see that? Got a wee tear in there. Yeah, it's quite cracked around there too, so it looks maybe age related. So I'll go on and change the other one as well at some point. But that's all I needed to get a sticker for the next year. So yeah, nice and easy, 10-minute job. Put in some park lights, and Audi Allroad keeps giving us surprises. It just keeps going so far. So yeah, we're ready to do some off-roading. Oh, I need a wheel alignment, but yeah, we'll get onto that. We'll get that all sorted, and then we can go drive it. There we are. comment, like, subscribe, and we'll see you for the next one. Cheers.